If you're tired of messy spills and scattered debris slowing down your projects, this list is going to save you time and stress. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're breaking down the best wet-dry vacuums for home and workshop. Powerful, versatile machines that handle everything from dust to liquid spills with ease. Whether you're cleaning a garage, workshop, or everyday home messes, these vacuums deliver the suction, durability, and features you need. All product links are in the description below. So, let's jump right into it. Strong suction and noticeably quieter performance make this wet and dry vacuum a solid choice for demanding cleanups. Its quiet motor technology is designed to run at a lower noise level while still pushing high airflow, and many users find it surprisingly powerful for garage, workshop, and job site use. The 4-horsepower motor paired with a 5-gallon tank lets you handle both wet spills and heavy debris without frequent emptying. A long 17-foot reach, thanks to the 10-foot cord, 7-foot hose, and 2 extension wands, helps cover larger spaces without constant unplugging. Build quality stands out with durable lid latches, a water-resistant switch, rubberized 360-degree casters, and a sturdy top handle designed for daily use. Accessory storage, a hose strap, and quick connect locking ports help keep everything organized. Users appreciate the compact footprint and effective suction, especially for garages and even draining water setups. Some find the storage capacity reasonable, while others feel it could be slightly larger. At 65 decibels, it operates noticeably quieter than many comparable units. With a cartridge filter system and reliable corded power at 120 volts, it performs well across all floor types and heavy cleanup tasks. Strong pickup power and a versatile 3-in-1 design make this 8-gallon vacuum suitable for home projects, vehicle cleaning, and workshop debris. A 4.5 peak horsepower motor delivers solid suction for wet and dry material, and its integrated blower function helps clear leaves, dust piles, or outdoor messes with ease. The tank size supports longer cleaning sessions without interruption, while the caster system provides mobility for moving between garage corners, workbenches, and flooring surfaces. The unit includes a 7-foot hose, accessory kit, and a total reach of over 13 feet with the cord. Users often praise its suction strength, compact footprint, and the range of included attachments. Several note that it performs better than some heavy-duty car wash vacuums and fits easily into small storage areas. Weight balance and portability are highlights due to its lightweight body and side-top carry handles. Build quality is sturdy for typical use, though a few people mention the power cord feels short for larger workspaces, requiring an extension cable. Assembly instructions are minimal, which can cause minor setup confusion. Despite these small drawbacks, the overall value, suction capability, and multi-surface cleaning performance make it a dependable mid-sized shop vacuum. Compact power and a convenient accessory system make this 4-gallon model suitable for small to medium cleanup tasks. A 5.0 peak horsepower motor offers performance similar to larger units, allowing efficient handling of wet spills, sawdust, carpet debris, and vehicle interiors. The lightweight build makes it easy to move around workshops, homes, and renovation sites. And the attached caddy keeps all nozzles, brushes, wands, and the hose organized for quick access. A large power switch enhances ease of use, while the 7-foot POSI lock hose provides a secure connection and flexible reach. With a cartridge filter system and compatibility with replacement filters, maintenance stays simple. Many users highlight its suction strength, portability, and good value for smaller spaces. Some find the construction impressively sturdy, especially the tank and attachments. However, a few express concerns about long-term durability, noting that certain parts may feel less rugged than expected compared to higher capacity models. Its 4-gallon capacity works well for targeted cleaning, but may require more frequent emptying during heavy jobs. Overall, its compact footprint, solid airflow, and dependable performance make it well-suited for cars, home cleaning, and general workshop use. Sturdy stainless steel construction and dependable suction make this 5-gallon unit a reliable option for everyday cleaning jobs. A 135 air-watt motor provides strong performance for collecting wet spills, fine dust, and heavier debris around garages, workshops, or indoor areas. The tank design enhances durability for repeated use, and its balanced top handle and wide casters help with smooth movement between rooms or tight spaces. This model includes 6 accessories: a cartridge filter for dry pickup and a foam filter for handling liquids. Onboard storage keeps the hose, cord, and attachments neatly organized, with a total cleaning reach of 16 feet, including the 10-foot cord and 6-foot hose. Most small to mid-sized areas can be covered without repositioning. Users often appreciate the suction strength and easy portability, noting that the compact size works well for smaller shops. Some find the build strong, particularly the metal tank, while others mention occasional issues with parts wearing sooner than expected. Its blower capability adds versatility for clearing dust or outdoor debris. Lightweight design, simple controls, and a dependable 120-volt corded power source make it practical for routine home or garage tasks, offering good overall value. High capacity and long-lasting motor technology make this 14-gallon unit a strong choice for large spaces, basements, and workshop cleaning. The 5.5 peak horsepower motor with SVX2 technology provides increased power and extended lifespan, enabling effective pickup of wet messes, heavy debris, or thick dust buildup. Its large tank reduces the need for frequent emptying, and a built-in drain allows quick release of liquids without lifting the container. A 7-foot lock-on hose, 2 extension wands, and a variety of nozzles, including a 14-inch floor head, support wide area coverage. The secure lid latches help maintain a tight seal during use. Mobility is smooth due to ergonomic handles and rolling casters, while onboard storage keeps tools and cord organized. Many users value its strong performance for garages and workshops, praising the suction and included attachments. Some note that its size requires more storage room, and the weight is noticeable when the tank is full. Still, for large cleanups or heavy-duty dust extraction, its performance stands above typical mid-range units. The combination of blower capability, reliable construction, and extensive accessory kit makes it a dependable solution for demanding shop environments. Reliable suction and a practical stainless steel tank make this vacuum useful for home, basement, and garage environments. Its design focuses on durability with a metal exterior that handles regular wear while maintaining consistent airflow. A 3-horsepower motor powers the unit, providing strong pickup for dirt, dust, and wet spills. With a 4-gallon capacity, it fits well into smaller areas while offering enough space for everyday cleanup tasks. The included accessories, multiple nozzles, extension wands, a reusable cloth filter, and a foam wet filter allow flexibility for carpets, hard floors, vehicles, and workshop surfaces. Onboard storage keeps everything organized, and the locking hose connection prevents accidental disconnects during use. Smooth rolling wheels and a lightweight frame make it easy to maneuver. Users frequently highlight its strong suction and simplicity, noting that it performs above expectations for an affordable model. Many appreciate its ability to handle dusty basements or heavy debris without clogging. Some mention that while powerful, the unit feels lighter than premium models, giving the impression of a less rugged build. Despite that, it delivers reliable performance, easy portability, and solid value for routine household or garage cleaning. Compact size and surprising suction strength make this 1-gallon unit ideal for cars, tight workshop corners, and quick household cleanups. Its lightweight design and sturdy integrated handle allow easy carrying, while a simple tank structure makes emptying straightforward even when full. A 1.5 horsepower motor generates strong airflow for fine dust, crumbs, wet spills, or small debris, and the sealed pressure performance is notable for a vacuum this size. The 10-foot cleaning range allows access under seats and into corners, supported by a 4-foot hose and a selection of nozzles including crevice and gulper attachments. Washable cloth and foam filters enable both dry and liquid pickup with minimal maintenance. Built-in accessory storage helps keep tools organized, and its wall mount capability saves space in garages or utility rooms. Users appreciate its portability, compact footprint, and unexpectedly strong suction for small-scale jobs. Some consider it excellent value and ideal for car detailing or quick cleanups. Others mention that its capacity is limited, requiring more frequent emptying during extended tasks. Noise levels are slightly higher compared to larger premium units. Overall, it delivers fast, efficient cleaning in a lightweight, space-saving design perfect for tight areas. Thanks for watching. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. All product links are in the description below.